Chancellor Lutrot. Abeg, no be my language, so anyhow mention your name, take am like that. They say this man now dey do wonders. For TV o, e go come outside dey demonstrate how man suppose handle woman on top bed. No be the one I dey think of, because as I dey talk this thing now, I feel say una still dey relax. Serious one, na also I no fit talk some kind things for English. That the whole omo, I say I must break am come here. So for una wey no know how you understand, una wey don dey try to see this kind thing before, I don bring am come aside o. Abeg join me make we watch Chancellor Lutrot.
Way and well, way and a gentle sir, and take producer, sir. Now, me and said, come run and cheer, but me here way now, would now want to who the meal on the chair. A tune so net endings. And me now say, who create to me, a tune to say, will be a little want to pack. Who near to set up a deal. Oh, now we near to stop a deal. And also you near your muscle. Oh, muscle for the sin and you say, the name says, and that's a fourth, and to me, send me now, who are lifted. Well, say, I to say, who's busy, sir, you know what I do, near a cop, and yet, you're predator. Some men like a European, meaning the elevator commander, and she said, you send me then and said, you see.
Hi! Wait. See as they catch it, they carry it, they drop it. No shame. But people, last, you see, we don't know the meaning of shame again. Person wey define shame for dictionary, I should say that person don't die safe. Because that word, we don't know him again. The girl even dey naked. Africa. Una wey like dey blame government. No, this one too, una go come outside come dey blame government. Wetin be the difference between this one now and porn? No, wetin be the difference? The only thing, no, I no dey see any difference. The only the only difference, wetin be the difference? Maybe no, I no see. I dey try bring am, but you know they come out. This is it. This is porn, my people. Just that they have turned it to one, maybe they've added English, educational something. Chancellor, this one. Now only God know. Now only God know the kind of thing where they happen after this show like this. No, because after this kind of thing, you don't know where maybe the girl don't even reach another side. The man too. Before you know, they go just go kolobi, boom. I even hear say this man a married man. Hey, married man. Oh, wait, he dey for public this thing where the whole Ghana they watch him, and his wife too go sit down for house. They say that's my husband, Mr. Chancellor. Now so now go they use title, they chop all these small girls. They chop, and that mumu too. You stand there. Man, they use. I beg, I don't even want to talk. The things even they do me somehow. Man, they just they touch you. You two, you stand there. If I be your boyfriend, it's over. You and who? You don't carry my property, go because na TV. Funny enough, person like this, they not even they satisfy their wife. Funny enough, but you go come outside, they make noise. No, go check them. Now person like this, in wife go even they watch and they do. It they happen. UTV. UTV, I beg. I bring this matter because we need caution that TV what. We need caution now. If you want do this kind of thing, I beg, not be for TV, you go come do it. Not be for TV, because if you know say you dey teach people how to do this kind of thing, abeg, I don't know, plan one conference or one program. Those wey dey interested, may they come meet you there. No be something where everybody nowadays see children even they watch. How you go dey put this kind of thing for the whole and children of nowadays where we still dey try control. You know, say most of them now, they don't even dey hear word. You talk one, they don't reach 20. We even dey try to control them. See wetin una even still dey put. Now only God go help us. Now only God go help us. No, who they watch this thing? Abi, as you dey put am now, you go come dey control people wey go on TV, people wey go off their TV. I dey my house, I dey watch anything wey I wan watch. Now why they bring this thing? Because we no need this kind thing for this period. Abeg, make una try help. Try help. There are many things where you go put, educational things where at least they go move the country or the people forward. See wetin you dey come outside dey teach. Any man wey no sabi satisfy woman, it may go find am for dictionary, no come outside, come dey give us this thing. You are part of the problem wey we dey face for this Africa, you, this man. You are in fact, you are your problem sef even pass president own. I no just understand why you go come outside for this your age. You say you dey teach this one, and your children too go dey watch you like that. Your children. No wonder. Now we know where they come from. I no go talk anything. Now we know the other side and the other side. Now we know when they grow. Now we go. Now so problem they go just the cause because of person like you. I beg Ghana. I bring this matter because of una. Make una start and send this video to your people. All of una we know the UTV manager or whatever. I beg you need hear me. That program where they do they need cancel am. You know they educative at all. Very, very important. So I beg make una help me share this video because we get children, we get younger ones, we get and we need educational things now. And if you never subscribe, I wonder how you want to be updated with matters like this. I beg, start to drop the comment for that comment section. I go reply now one by one as usual. Stay tuned for our next story.